How to fix Steam games not launching. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how you can fix Steam's game not launching. Now, before we begin with that, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now, without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step is open up your run. To do that, you can press Windows plus R key together and it should open up like this. Now here, all you have to type in is steam colon give two slashes flush config and again another backslash. After you do that, tap on OK. And what this does is that this clears out on the cache of your Steam. After you've done that, that's the first step. After you've completed that, what you'll have to do is head over to your Steam, open that up, go to your library. On your library here, you'll find the list of your games. Select the game that is not opening up for you. Right click there and head over to properties. On the properties, you'll find different options. You can just go to installed files. There you will see verify integrity of games. Simply select that and go through with that. After your verified integrity, what you can do is you can always go to your Wi-Fi connection to make sure that everything is up to date and also everything is working just fine. After the validation is complete, your problem should get fixed and you should be able to play the game. And that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos and bye bye. Take care.